Hi, my name is Kaylin Catron, and this is my overview for B298, my internship. I did my internship at a Mortensen Dental, and I was able to do this because I knew a manager of the Mortensen Dental office. It was a pediatric office here in Louisville, Kentucky, and she offered for me to be able to do that for her office. So as you can see, this is a kid's dentistry, and that's what the company's called, and it's here in Louisville. And it shares space with braces, so they do both. All of them are branches of a main corporate office called Mortensen Dental. So Mortensen Dental goes by different names in different locations. It was started by a set of family members, brothers and cousins, and they finished dental school around the same time. Now they have thousands of locations, as far west as even Utah, but it does go by a different name. But yeah, the owners are LDS. They're very good people, and it really is reflected in how charitable the company is. Work experience was good. This was a picture of me at the office. I really enjoyed the people that worked with me. They were very professional and very patient. I owe them a lot. Work experience, I learned how to check people in and out of the office. I learned just how complicated billing insurance is, and the insurance will fight against you when you have a claim often. I also scanned and copied many important documents, scheduled patients, and just every part of what's done every day. I got an overall good taste of what everyday office life is like. Some of my key insights. Financial management is one of the most important things and how it's run in the office. And I was surprised that when people paid cash, in which they often did, the money was stashed in a drawer. It wasn't in a secure container of any kind. When it was deposited, and they didn't really have a good way of keeping track of it. They didn't have software that automatically clicked when someone paid cash or anything. It wasn't, anyway, someone just goes and deposits that every night in a bank, and I felt like they needed a better system for that. So I felt like that was very valuable insight for me in our future business in the dental office world. The office staff are wonderful, and I felt like they are one of the most important, if not the most important aspects of a business, because your employees are your best asset. You cannot do it alone. The office staff that I worked with were very professional, and I never saw anyone get moody or rude to anyone or an employee or a parent, because sometimes they're difficult to deal with. Training. One thing I would also improve is their training. They didn't have any sort of order in which they trained. It was this all or nothing approach. So sometimes you worked in checking in, then checking out, but really insurance is involved. You have to know insurance to really work with all of it. And so I felt like I kind of worked backwards. So I really like the idea of, in our own office, when my husband and I have one, is to set up specific training and teach them insurance first and then checking in and checking out. Even though the staff wasn't impressed with the training procedures, they're very happy and very loyal to the company. They treated them well. They're very family friendly. My conclusion for my overall experience is that even though I wasn't able to completely finish my internship, it was a good experience. I learned a lot about many aspects of what to do and what not to do. My husband gained a connection. The office manager, Tamara, which I discussed earlier, she called their corporate office and got someone who hires people for my husband. So if he doesn't get into pediatric school next year, or he wants to change his mind into general dentistry, he can do that for this company, and he can buy in. And anyway, it was a great opportunity, and I learned so much.